Hi, I'm Jennifer Galizia of the Flowering Farmhouse. I have been a cut flower farmer and garden educator for the past 6 years. This past winter, due to unfortunate circumstances, we lost the land that we had been leasing for our flower farm. In an amazing turn of events, we have found the most incredible property right here on these 20 acres in Hood River. We are making a documentary film to capture the journey and the challenges we are going to face. This compacted dirt hasn't been cared for or nurtured in over 20 years. We're going to face weather challenges. There is animal pressure already on this property. We're going to need to find a way to live in harmony with Mother Nature. I want to create not just something that is healthy and beneficial for the environment, but I want to create something beautiful. And I think that's something that flowers do. Flowers add beauty to our lives. They feed our souls. We are literally putting down roots on this land, and I want you to come along for this journey. In order to bring this documentary film to life, we need you. We need your help. We already have an award-winning filmmaker on board for this project, but we need to put together a team. We need a production crew, we need a post-production team, and we need a distribution team over the next few years. And in order to assemble this team, it's going to be expensive. If you feel compelled to help us share the story of healing the earth and restoring our soil, please consider supporting this documentary film project.